In this video, we will be creating a business card for Sweets Delight Bakery. We will be creating the business card that you can see on the screen. This is part 2 of a video series where I create a brand. In the previous video, I created a logo for the bakery. I will link that video in the I button and also in the description. Hello and welcome to InDesign Digital Studio. My name is Shamika and I am a web and graphic designer and now a content creator too. I help creative entrepreneurs like you with branding, graphic design, and website design needs. On this channel, I share tips and tricks to help you create beautiful designs for your business. So if this is something that you are interested in, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Also share this video so that other creative entrepreneurs can benefit from this. Now let's get into the video. First, we will look for inspiration on Pinterest and Canva. Let's open Pinterest.com. Here I will search bakery business card design. We can find many designs for business cards in the baking industry. Let me open a few and show you. Next, I will open Canva.com and look for inspirations. Click on templates on the right. Now click on business cards. Here you can find all the business cards templates. Now, I will click on bakery to filter according to our needs. Here we can find different templates for business cards related to bakery. Open a few to get some inspiration. Based on the inspiration, I have created a sketch for the business card design. It's displayed on the screen. We will be creating two-sided business card. One side will have the bakery logo and the other side will have the person's details. Let's start creating the business card design in Canva. Click on business card to create a blank document. I will just give it a name. Let's start by finding a bakery pattern which we can use. In Elements, I will search pattern bakery. Here you can find different patterns and elements. Just make sure you use free elements. If you have a pro account, you can use pro account. I will use this free pattern. If you click on Magic Recommendations, you can find similar elements. Let's get to our design. I will repeat the pattern for the background. I will now copy the logo that we created in our previous video. If you have not checked my previous video, do check it out. I will link it in the description box. Just paste the logo here. I will resize and adjust it. I will add a white background to the logo so that it stands out on our pattern. The pattern seems a little dark. Let's change the color to something little lighter. Next, I will replicate the page. On this page, I just need the cupcake graphic. So, I will delete all the other logo elements. I will adjust the cupcake graphic. Next, we need to add person's details. In the Text tab, click to add subheading. Let's add name. I have all the details on Notepad. I will copy all the details to our Canva template. I will try a few fonts for the name. Now let's adjust all the text. I will add a few more graphical elements to the card. I will also add a white background to the text so that it's readable. I will also change the color of the text so that it matches our card color scheme. This looks much better now. Next, I will add social media icons. Here our business card is ready. Watch out for the next video in the series, where I will be designing Instagram and Pinterest posts for our bakery business. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for staying in the video till the end.